Stevie will join us later.
Let's squeeze in a game then.
Ooh, should we pick up our last game of Warriors?
Sure.
I'm in.
Yeah, rock and roll.
Boom!
Save?
Yep.
Pizza.
Yes.
I'm waiting on you guys.
Stevie!
The party has arrived.
Where did we leave off?
An eerie mist clings to the wall of the cave, just as the villager said. Nevertheless, you're drawn in.
Wow.
Something is amiss. Roll for initiative. Critical hit. Roll for damage. Slain.
Awesome.
I gotta go, okay?
Aww.
Bye-bye.
Back to our other game?
Only if you want to lose.
Load it up.
Hi, I'm Jerry Ellsworth. I've worked in the augmented reality industry for quite some time, and prior to that I worked in the toy industry. I love making products that are all about fun, and that's what Tilt 5 is. We've taken the things that you love about video games and the things that you love about board games, and we married those together. You can take a card and you can slap it on the table, and a wizard can pop up and run across the table casting spells for you. You can use your wand to command your hero to go attack your friends across the table. You can save games and get in and out of them quickly. You can take your board and you can connect it to your friends' boards that are across the world and share this virtual space, just like you're in the same room. When you back us, you get everything you need. You get the glasses, you get the wand, you get the game board, you get introductory games. And by the way, each one of the kits is also a developer kit. We have manufacturing in place. We have awesome game developers making third-party content. Join us in this journey. By backing Tilt 5, you can make this a reality. Mixed reality. Thank you.